These saffron extract capsules were sent to me by New Elements to check out and test out to do an honest review for you. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So I'm all about being healthy, and I was actually really surprised to learn that saffron extract was actually a thing. So saffron extract and these pills are designed to help improve overall health. It is designed to help your mood, and it is designed to help your stress levels. And that's just the saffron extract. The magnesium is designed to help relax muscles and to keep you calm. So when you put those two together, what a great winning combination. But there's some other things I really like about these capsules, and that is that, one, they're organic, which also means that they are non-GMO. And in addition to that, they are vegan. So you don't have to worry about that if that's important to you. And they're made in the United States. Lastly, let's talk about the size. So the size is a pretty typical capsule size. It's about 3/4 of an inch big, and they are pretty easy to swallow. There's no smell, there's no odor, they don't taste bad or anything like that. So I'm really happy to be taking these saffron extract and magnesium capsules that are so easy to take. Well, I hope you found this video helpful.